Hello, RCJ to Daniel here. Welcome to my channel. So this is the part 2 of the project rebuilding the Joysway Super V boat when it comes to the to build the center rudder. So this is what I've done so far. The boat is completely empty now. It's just the shell left, as you can see. And also I'm gonna start to try to see if I can get this a little more clean again. But after that I'm gonna start to measure and make new holes. Oh, this, let's see if I can get the focus. I'm gonna make as I said in the previous video, I'm gonna measure and make new holes, mounting holes. So let's see if we get the focus again. This is so difficult with the focus. Sensitive. There, okay, I get to hold it instead then. This hole, this is the original hole for the piano thread, the steering rod. And that is also gonna be a new hole here for that. And use that rubber again. But as you can see, originally there is a plastic part sticking out. And that is for the rubber seal of the piano thread. But I cannot remake this. So I'm gonna cut this away and plug it, and instead of a plastic piece sticking out, I'm gonna drill the hole a little bigger and use a aluminum tube piece that is the same length as this, and I'm gonna make that instead glue it inside the hole here. It's gonna be bigger than original. So by using a aluminum tube instead sticking out, I can remake this in that way instead. So that aluminum tube is gonna stick out about the same length, and then I can mount that rubber piece back again as it was. So, and I'm also gonna cut away this part here because that's gonna not get used anymore, and also gonna get rid of this, I think, because this is not necessary anyway. I'm using anyway a M3 long screw and nut, so those are gonna hold the tube in place anyway. So I'm also of course gonna drill a new hole here, somewhere here, maybe here somewhere, as the same as this one. So, and make it work. And place the rudder here in the center instead. So, but this is it's gonna be pretty short videos when it comes to the part 2 and 3 and things like that. It's not gonna be so many parts. But this is how long I come so far. So that's the next thing to do: clean this hole inside as if I can, and measure and drill new holes and try to make the tubes fit as I want to. And also when it comes to this, excuse me, and this part here, the original black plastic part here I showed you in the last video, I think it should be, I think it was, I think from the beginning I thought it would be a pain to get rid of that, but it was not so difficult as I thought. I just took a flat screwdriver and pushed a little hard, and then it just popped out. And let's see what I can find, if I can find it somewhere. Just wait a minute. Alright, I seem to throw it away, but here it is anyway. So this is the original plastic thing that sits under there, and I'm not gonna use this anymore, and I'm gonna in some way plug this hole and make it, I want to make it, if I can, look good also, of course, but this is gonna be plugged, not used anymore, so it's gonna be just a flat thing or something. Maybe from under the side I can do something about this, but it's gonna be plugged in some way. So, but that's it. I'm gonna have to work a little bit more on the boat, and that may see you in the next part of this rebuild or project. Joysway Super V, the Magic V, sorry. I seems to have said the wrong name all the time, Magic V. So, but thanks for watching, and support my channel. Take care. Bye.